let's be real, not everyone's got a brand new bike, and that's totally fine. So today we're going to show you how to transform an older bike yourself. We're going to apply a brand new UN4SEEN Decals kit to this CRF125. This CRF has been ridden, used and abused, and that's exactly the point. We're going to give it a transformation and show you how really easy it is to stick these decals on. Rightio, so the first step that we're going to do, we're going to clean the plastics down. So we use acetone and use a rag. Simply get a bit of that on there and start cleaning your plastics down. The better you do this, the longer your decals will last and the easier it will be to put them on. So you make sure you clean all the edges right around every single area that's going to have the new stickers put on. Rightio, so your plastics are all clean. The next step, you've got a heat gun or a hairdryer. Heat guns are better. And grab a decal that you want to start with. I want to start with the rear fender here. And make sure that make sure the plastics are all dry. Pull the backing paper off. I find it's easy to pull the entire backing paper off. This way you can control the sticker a lot more. And find a piece that's going to be sort of in the centre of the sticker. Line it up. Make sure she's all looking good lined up there. Remember, with these stickers, look, you can put it down. Oh no, it's not straight. Right, I'll put it back up. No problem. The sticker's extremely sticky, and you can do that multiple times. So it helps with confidence to be able to stick new stickers on. Run your finger straight down the middle there. Get that to stick. You pull back the decal to your finger. This will make sure that you don't get any bubbles. It is bubble-free product, but it'll make it better finish. Head along there, go from the middle out, all the way using your thumb. Flow around there. There you go, that's looking good. Pull it back to the middle again on that side. Use your finger. Keep your other two fingers here, just holding it from sticking down while you're working on it. Curve. You can use a bit of heat just to soften the sticker if you like, just to make it go around the corners. That definitely helps. So keep going, bit of heat, not too much, don't overheat it. Go. Corners. Looking pretty good. Awesome. Rightio. One piece is down. Now we're going to grab another bit. Go for the swing arm this time. Make sure the swing arms are extremely clean. There, on she goes. Rightio, a bit of heat. Just make sure it's go down the corners here. Soften it. Oh yeah, all your way around. The decals are really forgiving. It shows you that you can do this at home with ease. The key is just take your time and turn your bike into a masterpiece in no time. You can see here I've got a little bubble. Because the product's so forgiving, you just pull it back, release the bubble, and place the sticker down again. So you see here, we can't quite get the sticker on the seat. So make sure the seat's undone, take it off. That will actually help a big deal. Get in, make sure your sticker adheses over the corners there. Grab your seat. It's a bonus, it's got an ACC cover on it. Go everything. That one there. That one there. You don't need to be a pro at this. If you just take your time, follow the steps, it's a pretty easy process. You get the front fender here, line the centre of it up, finger there, line her up, rightio, looking good. How's that gonna go? Looks pretty good. Bring the finger straight in the middle there, and then same as before, pull it back and work your way out. One side done there. Back. Work your way out again to the outside. Run your finger along. Nice and easy. There we have it. An old bike turned into something that looks pretty damn pro. So what I've shown you there is it's pretty easy. You can do it at home. Just taking your time, following the steps. It's as easy as. All of our decal kits on our website can be made for any year, make and model. So you choose your design. You say, I like this one. Can I have my race number, my name? You fill out the details, you put your order through. Our design team will get all the information. Then we'll go ahead, put all the design onto your bike's template. You'll then get a design proof to check over. Yep, I'm happy with that. Then we'll get them made and sent out to you. You guys can chuck them on yourself. Transform your bike just like that. Unreal. UN4SEEN Decals.com.